It's that time of the year again when Mumbai turns into Mannatland. We are outside Three Wise Monkeys where fans from across India and beyond have come together to celebrate the king with food, music and lots of love. Okay, you have to be loud so that the... Okay. Yeah. Okay, ready? Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Germany, Berlin.
United States, North Carolina.
Dubai.
We all are from Dubai.
Ma'am, I am from India.
Okay, so tell me the first time you saw a Shah Rukh Khan film.
It was in 2019,
Oh. And which film was that?
DDLJ.
And you fell in love?
Well, what happened was I was on a tour of India, a broad tour, and they said you should go home and watch it. And I watched it, and yeah, I liked it. I thought it was okay. But then I saw his interview with David Letterman, and that's when I fell in love.
There you go. And what about you?
I saw my first movie at home at 2023. I was really sick. And so I was going through Netflix and there was Ratne Banadi Jodi and that was the first movie I saw at home. And then I went in winter to Pathan and I saw my first Shah Rukh Khan movie on screen. That was Jesus.
And you guys have come only for his birthday?
For his birthday, yes. But I was going to tell you with Pathan, I contacted on Twitter the head of the Jaipur fan club, and I said, how do I get to first day, first show? And so I flew over to watch it with the Jaipur fan club in that beautiful cinema in Jaipur.
Wow, that's something.
And I saw on 31st, I saw Mehuna in the Ambani building. That was, oh my God, that was Jesus Christ. I thought, oh my God, Mehuna on screen with Shah. That's one of my favorite movies. And yesterday I saw Om Shanti Om. That was, Jesus, it's so hilarious. It's one of my most favorite movies. I love that. So yeah.
If you can say one dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan.
Naughty pussy.
One word, one of the kindest people on earth.
I agree. A dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan, you remember?
A what?
A dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan.
I can't think of one now.
Oh, no issues. Okay, guys, from Dubai, only for Shah Rukh's birthday?
Yes.
So do you do this every year?
We are doing it for the second year. Actually, last year
also we
we have come for all the way from Dubai just to celebrate his birthday.
And you all met him?
Yes, we met him last.
Lucky guy! So now, are you planning to go and meet him?
Yes.
Yes, we are going to go
we're very
after
excited,
this. We are really
actually.
excited for this.
Okay. Shah Rukh Khan's song that you all love and you all want to sing.
मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं.
Come on.
That's my favorite song.
Sing.
We're going to sing now.
ऐसा गीत गाओ कि आरज़ू जगाओ अगर तुम कहो तुमको बुलाओ ये पल के जिठाओ अगर तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो ज़मीं को आसमां बनाओ सितारों से सजाओ अगर तुम कहो.
So I'm with Marie, who is from France, but she lives in India. Why, Marie?
Basically, I discovered Shah Rukh Khan through his movies now during COVID actually. I had seen only one Bollywood movie before that and it was Devdas. And during COVID, I was alone with my TV, so I thought, okay, well, let's play Netflix and whatever. Happened that his face appeared and I was like, okay, I've seen this face before. I don't know his name, but I will watch that. And I got fascinated by his eyes, by his charisma. And from that moment, I started learning Hindi. After 2 months, I had finished entire Duolingo, started learning Hindi, puri puri, like I had a tutor, books and all that. It's been 5 years now. And since then, I actually became an actress here because I started doing his dialogues on Instagram, YouTube, etc. And some casting directors invited me here. And by being an actress, I met directors. And these directors got released in France. And they asked me to do subtitles for their movies. And now I live 100% of my time in India, in Mumbai, as an actress, as a translator, thanks to Shah Rukh Khan only. So my life changed entirely. My language, my country, my work, everything is thanks to Shah Rukh Khan. All my friends here Amazing, thanks to Shah Rukh Khan. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, India, for welcoming me because I feel home here. And that's all thanks to him.
Have you met him?
So no, actually I've been to 2 events like that before, but I never had the chance. But I'm still quite sure that I will meet him one day, either on the shoot or for any meeting, for any reason. I'm quite sure I will.
Let's tell him.
Yes, Shah Rukh Khan, I will try to make my planning depending on you if you want one day. I'll try to find some time.
Shah Rukh, you need to meet him. Yeah, you made her career. You need to meet him. Yeah, you need to meet him for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
And Shah Rukh, you need to meet her for sure.
I think we need to work together.
Okay, now a dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan in Hindi.
अरे इतने कौन सा हाँ
Your favorite dialogue?
इतनी शिद्दत से तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि हर ज़रे ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है राइट साजिश की है
Do it again? Yeah. Okay, okay. Otherwise, you take any dialogue you want.
हाँ राइट
Easier one.
yeah but no it's like I know all of them but sometimes I'm just like
Yeah, blank. I know.
yes इतनी शिद्दत में
You should then say.
इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि ज़रा ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है नो साजिश की अरे यार wait what is like there is like another start for this dialogue of Om Shanti Om, right? No, I will just do this one, but because right now I'm just
Blank.
okay. It's too impressive. Okay. इतनी शिद्दत से तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि यार ज़रा ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है.
Thank you so much, and I hope you get to see him today.
I mean, see him for sure. Now talk to him. I will have to wait a little bit, I guess. I will make time for you. Promise.
Thank you. The music, the madness, the magic. That's SRK for you. And for his fan, it's just not a birthday. It's an emotion. With cameraman Vivek, this is Abhiradhar reporting from Mumbai for NDTV.